In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Calendly link URL. Whether you're new to Calendly or just looking to update your link to make it more personalized and impactful, this guide will show you how simple it is to make that change. Calendly is a fantastic tool for scheduling meetings and appointments without the usual back and forth emails. However, having a custom URL can make a significant difference in how you present your scheduling page. So let's dive into the process. To get started, you'll first want to open Calendly and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in and looking at the main dashboard, the first thing you'll want to do is direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your profile picture or initials, which you can click on to access a drop-down menu. In this menu, look for the option labeled My Link. This is the gateway to changing your Calendly URL and will lead you to the settings page necessary for this adjustment. Clicking My Link opens a new page where you'll see your current Calendly URL. Now, this link is unique to your account, but it might not fully represent you or your brand as you like. To change it, simply click on the editable part of the URL. This section is usually after the .com/ and can be personalized to better suit your professional needs or personal preference. Think about what's most relevant to your clients or how you'd like to appear when sending out invite links. You could use your name, your company's name, or a short phrase that reflects your service. Once you've decided on a new URL, type it into the text box. Before finalizing, double-check to make sure it aligns with your brand and is easy for others to remember. After you're satisfied with your new link, look for the Save button somewhere near the form you edited. Click Save Vimal Size, and Calendly will process the update. It's important here to wait a moment for the confirmation that your link has been successfully changed. If there's any issue or the link you chose is already taken, Calendly will usually prompt you to try a different variant. And that's really all it takes. With these steps completed, you've successfully updated your Calendly link URL. Now, when you send invites or include your scheduling link in communications, it will reflect the new, personalized URL. Remember that first impressions can make a big difference, and a well-chosen URL can enhance how people perceive your professionalism or brand. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials and tips.